and welcome to Hack with Akshay. In this video, we are going to see how we can solve this given question. So, in this question, we are going to see how to count the occurrence in an given array. So, as you can see, we have a given array. So, in this array, the element is being repeated. So, what we have to do, just we have to create one JSON object. In that, we need to see which element is being counted how many times. As you can see, the 1 is being counted 2 times, 2 is being counted 2 times, and 3 is being counted 1 time, so on. So what we are going to do, we are going to create an input variable. So whatever the array we have, we just put const input equal to, so whatever the array is given by the interviewer. So now what we have to do, just we need to create an empty object. So this map stands for an empty object variable which will store the given result. So now what we have to do, just create a for each loop, input dot for each. So in this for each, we got the values and the index. Okay, now as you can see, we have a self-contained array which will loop the inner elements. Now what we have to do, just same as the input, we need to create self for each element 2. We have to check the outer loop is same as the inner loop. What we will do, just say el triple equal to el2. So if the element is same as the inner loop, we need to increment the counter. The count will be incremented by 1. Count plus 1. So now we need to see map. So map values, whatever the index you see as 1, 2, 3, it's the element we have in the input. So we need to see the outer loop. We will say el equal to the count. Now the line number 20, the line number 32, we need to do console log map. Now run the code and see the output. As you can see, we got the desired output. In the second method, we have the input and we are using the reduce function. So in the reduce function, you can see we are returning the previous current object. As you can see, the initial value is being started as an empty object. So whatever you pass as a second argument inside a reduce, it will be started from there. Suppose if I have passed 1, so it will start from 1. Suppose if I have passed 0, it will start from 0. And suppose if I have passed empty array, it will start from empty array. So you can see my result is in the form of object, so I'm passing as a second argument as an object. So now you can see the previous value we got from the reduce function and the current element, whichever it been iterated. So we are checking whether the previous object holds the initial. Suppose we have 1, the array is being started from 1, so first element is being iterated first time. So we are checking this element is existing in the previous object or not. If this object is present, then increment the count, else the previous object will be starting from 1. So the first element whatever we got will be started from 1, else we are returning the previous value. The comma you can see here is stand for AND option. It's just simple as if else condition we are doing with the help of ternary operator. So that's it. We have solved one more question. So if you have any doubt or suggestion, you can put inside a comment box. You can also join the WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description below. So thank you so much for watching. Tada, bye bye.